Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Yesterday we have finished our 7th lesson. Let us start our 8th lesson today. A great leader. Here you can see that pictures are given, and also you can see the first name is given Mahatma Gandhi. You must have guessed that this lesson is about Mahatma Gandhi. So let us see the short information about Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Gujarat, Porbandar. This day we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti, right? And we also have the public holiday on this day. He died on 30th of January 1948. His father name is Karamchand and mother's name is Putalabai. He married in a very small age of his life. His wife name is Kasturba. Okay, let us start our lesson now. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. And yet, he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. He is not only famous in India but also is famous in all over the world. He is one of the greatest leader of the world. He did not use any kind of weapons or arms. Arms means weapons and equipments used to kill and injure people. That means he did not kill anyone, did not injure anyone. And also he fight a war for India. He did not use any kind of weapons like sword, rifles, guns or bombs. He won the war of India's independence. People were calling him Bapu or Bapuji. That means the father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Iron will means strong determination. That means whatever he decide, he will surely do it. If he decide to do something, he did it no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Iron will means strong determination. That means whatever he thinks, he will surely do that. One day when he thought to have a prayer early in the morning, so from that day onwards, every day he used to do the prayers and he never missed it. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? In the first paragraph, I already explained you that he did not use any kind of weapons. He did not use any kind of arms. So how did he fight the war of independence? Yes, with the non-violence, his simplicity, his truth. These were his weapons. He was using very simple loincloth. Loincloth means a dhoti worn above the knees. Here in this picture you can see that he is wearing a dhoti above the knees. This is only called a loincloth. So what do you think? Can't he afford any kind of fancy or fashionable clothes? Of course he can, because his father was a local government officer. That means he must be having money with him. And even he has completed his education in England and he was a lawyer. So of course he can afford fancy and fashionable clothes. But he did not use this. Let us see what happens that he started using this simple line cloth. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had no decent things to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes, be it cold or hot. He never changed his simple dress. When he was on lecture tour in Odisha, there were so many people gathered to listen to him. But women were not seen at these public meetings. And when Gandhiji inquired about that, he come to know about the thing that women do not have decent clothes to wear. So they are kept away from these public functions. That means they cannot attend the meetings like this. He was deeply pained to hear this. Deeply pained means very unhappy. And from that day he decided to wear bare minimum clothes, means the least possible required clothes. Okay, the least possible that is required. Once he had gone to England to attend very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. There people received by the king had to dress up in a certain way at that time. England ruled over India. Once when he was invited for the conference, he had gone to attend the conference, but in that time it was told to have certain way of dress. Already we know that Gandhiji is wearing very short dhoti which was above the knees. Now let us see whether he is going to change the dress or he will meet this King of England with the same dress. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress. To see the king, Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approve of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Everyone was very curious to see that whether he is going to change the style of his dress. But Gandhiji made it very clear, means he tell very clearly that he is not going to change his dress. He will wear his usual dress, that is his loin cloth. He would wear the dress of the people whom he is representing, and the people were very poor. They were using the cloth were the same. Gandhiji was not bothered by the style of the dress of the British people, so long as the poor in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loin cloth and shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. Gandhiji did not change his dress. He just went to meet the king with a simple loincloth and shawl. But this king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a way that cost a lot of money. In a way that cost a lot of money. That means cost. Very costly dress he was wearing. When he were asked whether he had enough clothes, that time he replied that king had enough clothes for both of them. Million people were very happy that Gandhiji dressed like them. Though Gandhiji did not use any kind of destructive weapons like guns, bombs, rifles, but he had so many people to follow him. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world a new path of Satyagraha. And many of the people follow him in his war. Many people follow him in his war with the new path of Satyagraha. Even today also, you can see that many peoples are using this kind of ways. I hope you understand the lesson. If you like the video, please click on like button, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.